Hey there, friend. Let's be real for a second. Does it feel like your paycheck is disappearing faster than ever these days? Between groceries, gas, and just life, it's like your money is playing a magic trick on you. Poof, and it's gone. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you that you could save $1,000 in just 30 days, even with inflation breathing down your neck? Yep, you heard that right. And I'm not talking about some crazy, unrealistic plan. This is a step-by-step guide designed for real life. So get comfy and let's do this together. Ready? Let's go. First things first, I get it. Inflation is real. Prices are going up, and it feels like there's no way to catch a break. But here's the thing. Even in tough times, there are always little cracks in the system where we can save. It's not about making huge, life-altering changes. It's about small, intentional steps that add up. And trust me, when you see that $1,000 in your savings account at the end of the month, you're going to feel like a total rock star. So let's break it down. We're going to tackle this in three main areas: cutting expenses, boosting your income, and optimizing what you already have. Simple, right? Let's dive into step one. Step one is all about trimming the fat. And no, I'm not saying you have to live on ramen noodles. We're just going to find those sneaky expenses that don't really add value to your life. Ready? Let's go. First, you need to know where your money is going. For the next 3 days, write down every single thing you spend money on. Yes, even that $3 latte. You'll be shocked at how those little purchases add up. Next, let's tackle subscriptions. That gym membership you haven't used since January? Cancel it. That streaming service you forgot you even had? Gone. This alone could save you $50 to $100 a month. Here's a big one. Inflation has hit groceries hard, but meal planning can save you a ton. Plan your meals for the week. Make a list and stick to it. Oh, and pro tip, shop the sales and buy in bulk when you can. This could easily save you $200 this month. Finally, pause on non-essentials. Do you really need another pair of shoes or that fancy gadget? Probably not. By cutting back, you could save another $100 to $150. Just by following these 4 steps, you're already looking at saving around $400 to $500 this month. And we're just getting started. Now, let's talk about making some extra cash. Because sometimes cutting expenses isn't enough. We need to bring in more money. And guess what? There are so many ways to do this, even if you're super busy. Start by decluttering your home. That old guitar collecting dust? Sell it. Those clothes you haven't worn in years? List them online. You could easily make $100 to $300 just by selling stuff you already own. Next, consider a side hustle. Whether it's delivering food, freelancing, or even pet sitting, there are tons of flexible options. Even an extra $200 to $300 this month can make a huge difference. Don't forget about cashback apps. Every time you shop, you can earn a little back. It might not seem like much, but over the month, it could add up to $50 to $100. Free money? Yes, please. By boosting your income, you're looking at another $300 to $500 this month. Combined with cutting expenses, you're already halfway to that $1,000 goal. Now, let's talk about optimizing what you already have. This is all about making your money work smarter, not harder. 1. Negotiate bills. Call your service providers, internet, phone, insurance, and ask for a better rate. You'd be surprised how often they'll say yes. This could save you $50 to $100 this month. 2. Use what you already own. Instead of eating out or buying new clothes, get creative with what you already have. That pantry full of food? Use it. That wardrobe full of clothes? Style it. This mindset shift can save you another $100. 3. Automate your savings. Finally, set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Even $10 to $20 a day adds up quickly. By the end of the month, you could have an extra $300 to $600 saved without even thinking about it. By optimizing what you already have, you're looking at another $400 to $700 saved this month. Add that to what we've already done, and you've hit or even exceeded that $1,000 goal. Now, I know this isn't always easy. Life gets busy, and it's tempting to fall back in old habits. But here's the thing, you've got this. Every dollar you save is a step toward financial freedom. And remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Save $10 today? That's amazing. Made an extra $50 from side gig? You're killing it. Keep going, and before you know it, you'll have that $1,000 in the bank. So, there you have it. Your step-by-step guide to saving $1,000 in 30 days, even with inflation. Remember, it's all about small, intentional steps that add up to big results. You've got the tools, you've got the plan, and now it's time to take action. Let me know in the comments how much you're saving this month. I can't wait to cheer you on. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could use some money-saving tips too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.